So the Bionic Pancreas that we've built is a portable system that you can wear in your pocket, and it consists of three integrated technologies: a continuous glucose monitor, pumps, some kind of a pumping system that infuses insulin and glucagon. We use two hormones, insulin to lower blood sugar and glucagon to raise blood sugar. And then in between, sandwiched in between those technologies, is the smarts of the system, the mathematical control algorithms that make automated therapeutic decisions every 5 minutes to determine how much insulin or glucagon you should get based on the CGM data that's coming in every 5 minutes. So it's a closed loop system that takes the patient out of the mix. So I'm wearing a sensor transmitter, and it talks to this little brick, we call it, which is really a system that consists of three technologies. Or two technologies really. It's got a continuous glucose monitor on the back, which is receiving my CGM data every 5 minutes. There's a custom hardware interface inside this brick, which connects it to an iPhone on the back. Okay, and so let me just pass into this. And on the iPhone is an app of our own design that is running on the phone, and all the mathematical algorithms that we built that make automatic therapeutic decisions to dose insulin or glucagon reside in this little app. And a user interface of our own design is also running on this app. In my left hand, I have two pumps, two tandem t:slim pumps. One is delivering insulin and the other is delivering glucagon. It's been repurposed to deliver glucagon. Now these are both filled with water, but they are working, and they have little Bluetooth radios that are enabled on each of these devices that speak to the Bluetooth radio on the iPhone. The iPhone is hardwired to a continuous glucose monitor on the back of this little brick, which has my glucose levels displayed and updated every 5 minutes. That hardware interface that you see inside here, inside this unit here, is transmitting the data from the CGM into the phone. The app that we've built to run on the phone contains all the mathematical algorithms that make those automated therapeutic decisions every 5 minutes, and all the infrastructure to pull CGM data every 5 minutes, and then use the Bluetooth radio to then communicate down to the pumps. So essentially this device is making 288 decisions automatically every day that you no longer have to make. So this device is FDA cleared only for investigational use. It is not a technology that is going to go out it's going to be available for commercial consumption.